intermittent fasting. I'm sure kung nagda-diet ka, ilang beses mo na narinig tong salita na to. So itong intermittent fasting, ito yung paglalagay ng longer duration between meals, either 8, 12, 16, 18, or 24 if you wanna do an entire reset. Pero ang tanong is, alam mo ba kung anong nangyayari sa katawan mo during the 8th, the 12th, the 16th, the 18th, and the 24th hour of fasting? Okay, so on the first 8 hours of fasting, most probably, ubus na yung energy from your last meal. Kaya sisimulan na ng katawan mo gamitin ang stored fat to burn energy. On the 12th hour, tumataas ang fat burning and bumababa ang insulin levels. On the 16th hour, nagsisimula na ang autophagy. Nililinis na ng katawan mo ang mga old and damaged cells. At the 18th hour, mas malakas na ang fat burning at mas active ang autophagy. Kaya tumutulong to sa cell repair and overall health. During these hours, habang wala kang kinakain, busy ang katawan natin sa pag-repair, pag-burn ng fat, at pagpapababa ng inflammation. Every Monday, the 24-hour fasting tayo. And on a regular day, I try to at least put 12 to 14 hours interval between my meal. Ikaw, na-try mo na ba mag-intermittent fasting? Share mo naman yung experience mo. Pero, disclaimer lang, bago ka mag-try mag-intermittent fasting, make sure to consult your doctor, especially kung may medical condition ka. Diba? Yun lang. Happy Saturday. Run, run, run!